Hello everyone, myself Isha Saini of class 12th Commerce. Today I have come upon the behalf of all my group members for representing our business project, that is wedding planning business. The name of our business is Desi Wedding Planner, the joy well planned. Desi Wedding Planner, a boutique wedding planning and consultancy that is based in Jaipur, which provides contemporary, elegant and bespoke wedding management services. We bring out a fresh perspective and innovative approach towards the wedding design by merging it with the traditional design and etiquette. So I, Isha Saini, who is handling the IT portion, Chanchal Jangid, who is handling the economics portion, Gayatri Saini and Khushi Kavar, who are handling the BST portion, and Ambika Sharma and Neha Sharma, who are handling the accountancy portion, presents your project. So let's have a look. We decided to set up our wedding planning business in Malviya Nagar, Jaipur. Market research and data analysis. Before commencement of our business, we took many economic procedures. Our targeted areas were Murlipura, Banipal, Rajapal, Vidyadhar Nagar, Shastri Nagar, Vaishali Nagar. For survey of data, we used sample survey method by using primary data. We also conducted questionnaire method, which contained a set of standardized questions regarding wedding planning, and we found that preference for garden wedding was highest. We also took a market overview and found that large number of people were interested in hiring a wedding planner. We also did a competitor analysis. Competitor around Desi Wedding Planner are Wedding Guru, Shri Shubh Lagn Wedding Planner, Shimmer Wedding Planner, Radich Wedding Planner, Pratishtha Wedding Planner. From survey, we got to know that we have good market opportunity and we have a good quality of audience. Name of business, Desi Wedding Planner. Type of business, partnership business. We have decided to do our wedding planning business under the partnership of Gayatri Saini and Khushi Kavar. They both have done diploma in event management. We have chosen partnership form of business because its formation can be easily done by putting an agreement between partners, and its closure is also very easy. And the risk involved in running a partnership firm is shared by all the partners as a team. Now, legal compliance. For the legal compliance, a CA was appointed. So first of all, we have registered our partnership firm, which required following documents. First, partnership deed, which included all the terms and conditions related to partnership. Second, documents of partners, that are PAN card of partners and address proof of partners. Third, documents of firm, that included PAN card of firm. Fourth, address proof of firm, which included utility bill and NOC from landowner. Fifth, GST registration certificate. Sixth, current account. Seventh, additional partnership firm registration documents. It includes a sworn statement which states that every point of interest specified in deed and reports is right as submitted to Registrar of Partnerships. After partnership registration, trademark registration was done and our legal compliance was completed. Now, our organization policy, that includes our operational policy and customer policy. Operational policy, putting our best efforts to understand customers' expectation to organize your wedding functions, giving personal attention to customer satisfaction and hygiene of the venue, attentive and friendly services along with cognizance of customer boundaries, providing utmost customer satisfaction to make venue look outstanding from every angle. Customer policy, create and review vendor contracts, organize your wedding day timeline, giving you ideas about current trends, coordinate the florist, caterer, printer, invitation companies, graphic designer, and any other aesthetic vendors, coordinating the reception timeline, setting up the ceremony and reception spaces, find coordinating and stylish favors. Financial policies. As soon as you are ready, you proceed towards the reservation. We shall send you our invoice to make 40% of the advance payment of total wedding cost by Visa, MasterCard, etc. In some cases, wedding venues need 100% payment before the wedding, therefore, you must make all such payments before the wedding date. Otherwise, in this case, you must assure a credit card guarantee.
दिया। हाय, कांग्रेचुलेशंस, फाइनली तेरी शादी फिक्स हो गई। थैंक्स यार। तूने अब तक कुछ ऑर्डर क्यों नहीं किया?
अरे यार देख ना, शादी से पहले और कोई वेडिंग प्लानर भी नहीं मिल रहा है रीजनेबल रेट पर।
बस इतनी सी बात। तू ना देसी वेडिंग प्लानर्स ट्राई कर। मेरे भैया की वेडिंग प्लानिंग में ना उन्होंने की। क्या अरेंजमेंट्स थे यार, एकदम सेलिब्रिटी वेडिंग। दोनों ना एकदम विराट अनुष्का लग रहे थे।
देसी वेडिंग प्लानर्स।
Yes, the wedding of your dreams. Desi Wedding Planner. The joy well planned. To hire Desi Wedding Planner, you can just visit to our office in Malviya Nagar, Jaipur, or you can just go through our website, that is www.desiweddingplanner.com. You can also view our service packages, even portfolios on our website.
Here comes our finance portion. Legal compliance expenses. Partnership registration 5,899. GST registration 2,500. Trademark registration 9,000. Market research expenses. Enumerator training 4,000. Enumerator payment 14,000. Transportation cost 5,000. Miscellaneous expenses 15,000. Miscellaneous expenses include food pay, water pay, expenses in establishment of business, land 7 lakh, labor cost 1 lakh, building construction 3 lakh, miscellaneous expenses 4 lakh, furniture 40,000. Miscellaneous expenses include equipments, repair and maintenance, office supplies, electricity bill, internet cable, installed camera, and total investment of 1,50,000 was done. Online marketing expenses. Domain and hosting 899, registration of toll-free number 1000, copyright 5000. Marketing expenses. Logo designing 11,000, pamphlet designing 14,000, advertisement 45,000. Conclusion. Overall, our planning and research went quite well. The wedding planning project was a success. Planning and hard work were the most important phases of this project because of the results were as expected. Every activity performed during the project had only one purpose: client satisfaction. A wedding is one of the biggest events of their lives for any couple getting married in historical places like Jaipur. We make the marriage events memorable for a long life by providing the favorable services. Thank you.